Hey everybody, trying out some more camera stuff again here, different tripod and everything. And so feedback will be appreciated, but once again, if you're going to be mean, at least be funny. And what we're going to try to do is pick and gut a Corbin Russwin 1 1/8 inch mortise cylinder. A key would look like for it. It's just a key blank, so I knew which keyway it was. This isn't something that I see commonly in my area. Working, I did pick this open, or not picked up, sorry, I raked it open real easy, but we're going to see if we can single pin pick it here. And then I'm going to just go ahead and speed gut it on camera. And I did get some feedback on my last video, and I asked for feedback saying, oh, I just dumped all the pins out or something stupid. The person clearly didn't understand the art of speed gutting. Not their fault, because I know none of the lock channels really do it, but I don't really see the point of going through each pin when they're all just standard pins in these mortise cylinders. And just the only reason I even gutted it at all was just to see if you could even see it on camera, which his comment made me at least know that he could see it, which was the point. So I'm having trouble getting under the back pins there. Try from this angle. There we go. Alright, so got it open anyway. And now I'm going to attempt to gut it while keeping it on camera here. So we're going to zoom out. See my fancy new light in the background there. And I'll try to just keep everything on camera here. I don't know what the hell that was. Chair falling down. I got a new chair too. Oh shit, see, lost it on camera. That's what I was trying to avoid, so that's good here. Alright, so see, we gotta adjust the camera. Lost it again, so this definitely has some work to do. Anyway, so now we're hopefully back on camera. And I'm going to speed gut this again because, like I said, it doesn't really matter. I just want to see if people can see it on camera.
So
there's all the pins. And I'll zoom in way past them. Yeah, I think this setup might work here. It's going to take some more practice with it. I do have another tripod coming on Amazon today, a desktop one. I'm going to try that one out too, so I'll be probably posting another video later. But any feedback on this one would be appreciated. Just like I said, if you're going to be mean, be funny. You know, be mean and not fun. It's just, that's just lazy. But anyway, all right, that'll do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.